Hello, I'm Milton Nesbitt, President of the Chamber of Tourism and Commerce. And the Chamber is continuing our Spotlight of Industry. And today I'm with Johnson Controls and Plant Manager Todd Bruno. Todd, glad to have you with me.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
Great. Todd, tell us a little bit about Johnson Controls. I know that's a nationwide company, a very large company, a company that's been in business for many years and continues to do quite well.
Yes, yeah. Johnson Control is a global company made up of nearly 170,000 employees, operating in over 140 different plants worldwide. Our corporate headquarters in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. We have a very large customer base. We are integrated into the automotive experience. That's what we do here in Pulaski. We make automotive car seating. Have a lot of different divisions: interior, sustainability, power solutions. So we're very diverse into the industry.
That's great. Tell me a little bit about the Pulaski plant. I know we're fortunate in Giles County to actually have Johnson Controls here. I know in the other locations in Tennessee seem to be in metropolitan areas, and for us, we're a rural environment, but we have a great plant here that's been here a while. Talk a little bit more about what you do here and how you contribute to the Johnson Controls.
The plant has been here since 1989. Seen a lot of growth. Added production lines in the early 90s. Have a workforce of over 300 people. The company has been here, for many years, and we do a great business here. As I mentioned before, we are in the automotive industry, and we supply major OEMs all over the country. They're our farthest reaching customer in Lansing, Michigan, and we go as far south as Madison, Mississippi.
OEM, original equipment manufacturer, meaning that you were not giving or producing replacement parts. Is that correct?
That's correct. We are what is classified as a Tier 2,
okay,
meaning we don't ship directly to the OEM. We ship to a Tier 1 facility, which then turns around and ships our material. After they do another process to it, they ship that directly to the OEM.
Okay, that's great. Also, I'd like to know that you are linked into the automotive industry, and several years ago the automotive industry took a dip in their I guess the industry itself took a dip in the economic situation. For you guys here, how do you guys manage those kind of fluctuations in the economy in the way that you operate, specifically here in Pulaski?
Well, we're fortunate here in Pulaski to be one of the lowest cost automotive suppliers in the network, meaning we operate on a more cost efficient basis than any Johnson Controls plant in North America. So when we had the downturn, a lot of the volume was brought from other plants into the Pulaski facility because it's much more cost efficient to run it here than say up in Michigan, where there was really an economic downturn. So this plant did see a small slowdown, but unfortunately we did have plant closings during that time, and this plant has been sustainable, it has been viable, and it's been productive for many years.
That's great. Well, we're going to take a break, and when we come back, we're going to be visiting with Jeff Hatfield of Johnson Controls. So stay tuned.